Wei Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here.
I was so drunk last night, I don't even remember getting home.
Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. But Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
So why all the paranoia?
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. It made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今日就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
淆底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him! I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
我契弟，
揾你啦，收屍啦！我呢鋪硬你㗎，
唔使搞明明啦，我開眼你拖啊！
仔，驚佢走先啦！
點解啊？陳撚冇冇，好嗎你？
我呢鋪硬你㗎，靚仔，驚佢走先啦！點啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟你，你咁冇頭啊！睇下你有冇命出去？點啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟你，打到你條撚樣仆街！
遇到我，整撚定你今日冇運行啦！
我呢鋪食撚硬你㗎！靚仔，驚佢走先啦！
嚟啦，牙籤仔！
同我喐佢！開造技，點嗌啊！
我同你係咩似人啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟你，你咁冇頭啊！好撚驚啊！腳軟
你唔好啦你！
你老婆幫你收啦！打到你！點啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟
你因佢啦，你又死！
食撚硬你㗎！
開始！
揾你老婆幫你收屍啦！靚仔，驚佢走先啦！打撚破佢個頭！點啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟啊！我呢個
屌你老母啊！
You kidding me?
你死硬啦！
Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
你咁冇大鑊啊！
仆街死撚緊啊！死好耐㗎啦！
點啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟你！我呢個食撚硬你㗎！靚仔，驚佢走先啦！
Come on.
打到佢撚嘅仆街！
啲啊！搞咩啊？好嘢！
點啊？腳軟腳軟靚仔，驚佢走先啦！佢個撚樣！睇下你有冇命出去！
Fuck you！
驚佢走先啦！
打佢老味啊！
我呢邊硬你啊！
Are you done? I'm still here. I look nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us. Hochi all day. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Whole prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
哦 ，Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇 ？Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker.
Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎。Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊。So, 10 guys, huh? You feel us? They're just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You wanna be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
驚我走先啦！
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about. Hey, you think you can fight?
You like that?
I bet you fall at the first gun.
How about that?
Come on, Conroy. You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when
That all
shit
you got?
gets real.
You gonna back down?
Wipe that smile off your face.
Come on, fight back. Why don't you get out of here? Huh? You like that? How about that? That all you got?
Hello, boys.
Holy shit. Dog Eyes.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊？
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, Dog Eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Yi, both grown men.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back.
The hooks were deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking Dog Eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
Nope. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss, but when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Hottest vibes in the market, right here for you.
我呢邊最正嘅 Noodles come。
我個妹個老公買咗件
Hey, 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 you want to play?
You gotta
Hey,
have that.
hey, hey,
着完第二次咪咁咯。
hey, hey, need clothes? Need a suit?
You want games? I got everything, man.
Come in! See what I got! All fresh!
啊，係啦。
You! Come buy groceries!
Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
You want good clothes for less? I got special deals.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. You need anything? Just come at.
Sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you?
You know, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Hey, you wanna do the talking?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Guy said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we used to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
公司跳樓貨，平到你。
你老母仆街冚家鏟！Why don't do that? I will pay.
着數啊！
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money, but Dog Eye won't be happy.
名牌款式，街坊價錢，真係講都冇人信咁抵啊！你乞衣都變王子啊！你送我多一個，我就買咗2個。
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass! Show him what you're made of!
打你仆街！
This isn't good! What kind of protection is this? Get hurt!
要幫馬祖南打電話啦，唔係等陣冇手撳啊！
Come on! Get back down!
我哋一仆街！
唉，搞錯啊！
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
又係咁啊！妖！
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there. Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf.
你個衰佬啊 ，very disrespectful。
Wait, come on. I got your back. That's one of our guys. Come on, Wade. Hey.
Cindy said she would.
大佬，唔好殺我啊！
你有冇攞籌啊？
You don't fuck with anyone under our protection. Tell Dog Eyes this market belongs to Winston.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
全部特價，睇睇啊！
Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here, people need to know you're one of us. We got an image to maintain. Only the best brands. People gotta know you're successful.
I got everything, man.
Can I interest you in some better clothes? I wouldn't buy this shit either.
Let's get back to Winston.
Hey,
you want a little refreshment?
埋嚟睇下啦喂！
我呢度啲衫全部外地進口，咁多位真係唔買都嚟睇下。
Listen, basic.
That was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do
Hey
this.
Jackie!
點啊，臭閪 ，What's going on？
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you, don't fuck with me.
One of everything, man. What do you want? I got it cheap.
今日開始1連7日舉行特價酬賓周，減價，唔買就蝕底啦！我冇錢啊！係咩？